Hello everyone. Today is August 16th, 2024. It's Friday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. GameStop stock price rose 2.46% on Thursday, with a trading volume of 5.36 million shares and a turnover rate of 1.38%, both of which were significantly higher than the previous trading day. The current price of the stock has risen by 20% from the lowest price of $18.73 in early August. The trading volume on Thursday was significantly enlarged. Did the bullish force that pushed the stock price to continue to rise exit the market on that day? I don't think so. From the daily chart of the stock, we can see that the stock rebounded strongly after a deep decline on August 5th. And the trading volume on that day was significantly enlarged. It seems that a large amount of capital has flowed into the market in the area below $20.30. The stock price continued to rise after a brief correction on August 7th, which can prove this. So technically, the stock price has already established a foothold at $20.80. $21.90 is an important position. On August 15th, the stock price rebounded after a pullback to this position, and the closing price was much higher than the closing price on August 1st, which is critical. This indicates that the stock price has returned to the level at the end of July, and it is likely to fully gain a foothold at $21.90. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock price fell by 4.2% on August 1st, and its net capital outflow was as high as $26 million. This week, the stock price returned to this level, which is a positive signal. We saw that the stock price fell by 2% on August 7th, and its net capital outflow was $4.55 million. But the stock price rose back the next day and more capital flowed into the market, proving the previous analysis. On August 14th, the stock price fell by 1.3%, and its net capital outflow was as high as $11.6 million. But the stock price rose again and the net outflow amount was $5 million. Does it look familiar? It is worth mentioning that the trading volume on August 15th was significantly higher than the previous trading day, which reflects that while there was a large amount of capital outflow on that day, more capital flowed into the market, which is a positive bullish signal. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. $21.90 is the peak position below $22.50, and it was far higher than this at the close of August 15th, which shows that the stock price has established a foothold at this position. Even if the stock price pulls back, I don't think it will fall below this position. If the stock price finds support at this level, it will challenge the level of $23.90, which is not only a position concentration area, but also a volume concentration area. Even if the market accumulates a lot of long power below $21.90, $23.90 is a very hard bone to chew, but it does not mean that it must not break through there. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. As analyzed earlier, I think the stock will continue to rise next, but the target price is $23.90. Based on the closing price on August 15th, this means that the stock still has a potential increase of 6%, which does not seem to be much. But in any case, when the stock price stands at this position, let's make a prediction again. As of July 31st, short interest in GameStop stock stood at 37.93 million shares, or 10.8% of common shares. Compared to June, short interest has decreased by 5.97%, which suggests that as the popularity of the meme stock has declined, shorts have lost interest, which is in favor of the stock's bulls. In addition, some analysts pointed out that the company reported revenue of only $882 million and a net loss of $32.3 million in its first quarter results. The company did have more than $1 billion in cash at the end of the quarter. Considering that the company has closed 54 stores this year, its revenue is expected to decrease further. The stock has a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 260 times, assuming that the analyst correctly predicts positive earnings. At current levels, this analyst believes that the stock is severely overvalued. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for GameStop stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.